Next one, if tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, find value of a. What is given? Tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Okay, so now this one changes to in terms of cot. How to change that? See here, cot of 90 minus 2a. So already we know cot of 90 minus a is what? Tan a. So that's why it can be changed to cot of 90 minus 2a. Now RHS side, cot of a minus 18 degrees. Now see, both sides eliminate the cot. Remaining is what? 90 degrees minus 2a equals to a minus 18 degrees. So minus 18 changes to LHS, minus 2a changes to RHS. Plus 18 equals to a plus 2a. So 90 minus 18, 108 equals to 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, remaining 1, 3 6. Then a equals to what? 36 degrees. Okay friends, next fourth one. If tan a equals to cot b, where a and b are acute angles, prove that a plus b equals to 90 degrees. Okay. What is given? Tan a equals to cot b. Again it can be changed to in terms of cot. So cot of 90 minus a. Cot of 90 minus a, tan a equals to cot b. Again both sides eliminate the cot. Remaining is what? 90 minus a equals to b. Minus a changes to RHS plus a. So a plus b equals to 90 degrees. This is your answer. Next, fifth one. If a comma b and c are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of a plus b by 2 equals to cot c by 2. See here. If given a comma b and c are interior angles of a triangle ABC, sum of three angles in a triangle how many degrees? 180 degrees. So sum of three angles in a triangle ABC equals to 180 degrees. So a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees. Now see, plus c changes to RHS. 180 degrees minus c. I want here by 2. So both sides divided with 2. Both sides divide with 2. So a plus b by 2 equals to 180 degrees minus c by 2. So a plus b by 2 equals to 180 by 2 means what? 90 minus c by 2 as it is c by 2. Now see here, LHS side have the a plus b by 2, here also a plus b by 2, RHS side c by 2, here you have the c by 2, here you have the 90. I want here tan. So both sides apply the tan. Both sides apply tan. So tan of a plus b by 2 equals to tan of 90 degrees minus c by 2. So already you know tan of 90 minus a. Tan of 90 minus a, cot a. So tan of a plus b by 2 equals to cot c by 2. Tan of 90 minus a, cot a. Now see here, what you are asking? Tan of a plus b by 2 equals to cot c by 2. So tan of a plus b by 2 equals to cot c by 2. Next topic, trigonometric identities. We have three trigonometric identities, very important identities. First one, very important, sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. Next, second one, secant square a minus tan square a equals to 1. Third one, cosec square a minus cot square a equals to 1. See here, first one, sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. Here, sin square a equals to what? 1 minus cos square a. I want cos square a. From this cos square a means what? Changes to RHS 1 minus sin square a. From this, I want secant square a. Secant square a equals to what? 1 plus tan square a. Okay, next here, cosec square a equals to what? 1 plus cot square a. See here, these three identities very important. Again you see, sin square a plus cos square a value is what? 1. Secant square a minus tan square a equals to 1. Cosec square a minus cot square a equals to 1. By using this, suppose I want sin square a, cos square a changes to RHS 1 minus cos square a. I want cos square a, sin square a changes to RHS 1 minus sin square a. Next, secant square a minus tan square a changes to RHS 1 plus tan square a. I want cosec square a minus cot square a changes to RHS plus cot square a. These three very important identities. Next, exercise 11.4. First bit, evaluate the following. In that first one, 1 plus tan theta, this is theta, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Now see, 1 plus, already we know the tan. Tan form is what? Sin by cos. So, sin theta by cos theta plus sec means what? 1 by cos theta. This total changes to in terms of sin and cos. So, here also 1 plus cot form is what? Cos theta by sin theta. Cosec means what? 1 by sin theta. Next here LCM, what is that? Cos theta. So cos theta plus, already cancel, remaining sin theta. This one also cancel, remaining 1. Here LCM is what? Sin theta. So sin theta plus, this to cancel, remaining cos. This to cancel, remaining 1. Now see here, this total assuming to A, this one B. So A plus B, this is A minus B. So already we know A plus B into A minus B is what? A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. So cos theta plus sin theta whole square, A square minus B square by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, next. Now see here, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square means what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. So 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. So already we know the sin square A plus cos square A value 1. Trigonometric identities. First one, sin square A plus cos square A value 1. So 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. So plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. Remaining is what? 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Cancel sin theta, cos theta cancel. Remaining is what? 2. 2 is your answer. Next second one, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the identity of a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square, this one. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a means what? Sin theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2ab means 2 sin theta cos theta. This one a minus b whole square. So a square means sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Here minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cancel. So remaining sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here also sin square theta plus cos square theta. So already we know sin square a plus cos square value is what? 1. Okay. This one also sin square a plus cos square value 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So we have another method also. So this one a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to 2a square plus 2b square. So 2a square means what here? Sin square theta plus b square means what here? Cos square theta. 2 common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square plus cos square value is what? 1. So 2 into 1 equals to